Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Neuro by Paul Mitchell Style Titanium Flat Iron. This is a 1-inch professional styling tool designed for both straightening and curling. It promises lightning-fast heat up, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just 45 seconds, and cools down just as quickly. Marketed as suitable for all hair types, it's built with titanium plates, which are known for their durability and high heat conductivity. The first thing I noticed when unboxing the Neuro was the solid, professional-grade feel of the flat iron. It's not too heavy, but it has just enough weight to feel substantial in the hand, definitely not flimsy. The titanium plates are ultra smooth, and that matters because titanium glides effortlessly through the hair and helps reduce snagging and friction, which can cause breakage over time. The adjustable heat settings are a major plus, especially if you're dealing with different hair textures or styles. I tested it on both freshly washed, air-dried hair and second-day hair that needed a quick refresh. The iron glided smoothly and gave me sleek, polished strands in 1 to 2 passes without that scorched smell or tugging feeling you sometimes get with lower-end tools. I also used it to create loose curls by twisting the iron through sections, and it actually held the shape surprisingly well for a straightener. Titanium gets hotter than ceramic and maintains consistent heat, which really helped the curls lock in. Just be mindful, if you have very fine or damaged hair, I'd recommend staying on the lower end of the temperature range. This flat iron will get hot fast. Now let's break it down. What I loved. The heat up time is ridiculously fast. 45 seconds to 450 degrees Fahrenheit is no exaggeration. It's efficient, ideal for busy mornings or last-minute touch-ups. The heat recovery is just as impressive. Even if you style slowly, you're not going to deal with cold spots. The smooth plates and ergonomic design make styling effortless. I also appreciate the auto shutoff for safety, especially for those of us who forget whether we unplugged or not. On the flip side, while the titanium is amazing for performance, it can be a bit too intense for very delicate or color-treated hair if you're not careful with the heat settings. The controls are on the inside, which prevents accidental button presses during use, but it also means adjusting the temperature mid-style is less convenient. Lastly, while it does a good job with curls, the edges aren't as rounded as some other dual-purpose irons, so you'll need to practice your technique to get those waves just right. Is this review helpful so far? If it is, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find honest reviews like this one on Beautyistic. Your support means everything. As far as value goes, this flat iron falls in the mid to high range, but the performance honestly justifies the price. You're paying for pro-level heat consistency, build quality, and speed, things that make a real difference over time. Compared to other styling irons I've used in this category, like the Beautyistic Pro Nano Titanium or the GHD Platinum Plus, the Neuro holds its own. The Beautyistic heats fast too, but I find the Neuro has a more intuitive grip and a slightly better glide on thicker sections of hair. Durability-wise, the titanium plates are less prone to wear than ceramic, and the overall construction feels designed to last. The hinge is tight, there's no wobble in the plates, and the swivel cord is long and sturdy, great for maneuvering around your head without tangling up. I haven't had to reach out to customer service for this product, but Paul Mitchell as a brand has a long-standing reputation in the pro beauty industry. Their tools tend to be salon grade, and from what I've seen, their support is responsive when issues arise, especially if you register your tool for warranty. No major updates or reformulations to note on this model. It's still their original version, but given its solid performance, I don't think it's in desperate need of change. If the Neuro feels a little out of budget, you might want to check out the Chai Original or the Remington Pro with pearl ceramic plates. They don't offer quite the same level of heat recovery or longevity, but they're decent alternatives for lighter use or thinner hair types. So, final verdict, the Neuro by Paul Mitchell is a high-performance flat iron that's built for serious styling. It delivers sleek, frizz-free results in record time and holds up beautifully whether you're straightening or curling. It's best suited for users who value speed, durability, and professional-grade heat. If you have thick or coarse hair, this could be your new favorite tool. If your hair is fragile, just be cautious with the heat settings and always use a thermal protectant. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've used the Neuro style flat iron, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's chat. The link to check it out is in the description. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.